Welcome back, you guys, to another video. It's your boy Brian with Mendez Detailing. Thank you guys for watching this video here. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. We're gonna go ahead and get the day started here. So we have a quick maintenance detail on the Mercedes GLE 350. Afterwards, we have a very busy day. So today's gonna be very challenging for us. We're actually gonna go ahead and try to say we're gonna go ahead and try to make over $1,000 today. Now, this is the first time ever in my business that I'm able to even say that we're over 1,000 for the day. So I'm very grateful. You know, hard work pays off, you guys. Get that SEO work going, and you will definitely be so much happier later down the line. So we have over 1,000 in jobs. I'm gonna try to just document a little bit here, a little bit there, and then we'll just go ahead and add up the totals at the end of the video. Just giving you guys an idea of how much time we spent out here, how many cars we did, and how much we charge per car to be able to achieve the $1,000 mark. So stay tuned. Hustle never settle. Let's get into it. Let's go. And just like that, we finished the first vehicle of the day. Time is actually, let me see if I can pull my watch up for you guys. Time is actually 9:22. You guys saw it for a brief second. 9:22. We're gonna head off to the next client now. We charged $65 for this maintenance detail, and it took us about 45 minutes to do it with 3 people. So yeah, we're gonna head off to the next one. Let's see if we can hit $1,000 today, man. Let's see. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Actually, let me show y'all real quick the interior. This car wasn't dirty at all. Like I told you guys, bi-weekly maintenance, 65 bucks. Come out here every 2 weeks, clean it up, make it look nice and shiny again, and we go on our way. So, heading off now. Let's go hit the next client. Let's go. The second car today, we have a Honda Civic right here. This is our silver package. We're gonna do a full interior shampoo for this car here. And then we're gonna do an exterior clay bar and seal. So we charge $250. I usually charge $280, $300, but being that the car is previously detailed, we're charging a little bit less because our work is literally a little bit less. So charging $250 for this one, $250 plus 60. I don't know the math, but we'll add up everything at the end. So $250, 60 so far, and the time is currently, give me a second. The time is currently 10:04. So all right, you guys, so we have just completed the detail. It's actually 11:20. Actually gonna go ahead and take a quick lunch break and then head off to the last vehicle, and then we have 2 last vehicles at our last client. So we have 3 cars left right now. Like I said, this is $250. She actually paid $280, and then we got paid $60 from the first client. So we're gonna go ahead and try to keep track to make sure we're on target for the day. Here's a look at the Honda Civic we just finished. So we did a quick sealant on the exterior, clay bar, Looks super smooth, nice and slick. Detailed the engine bay. We actually just cleaned up the headlights. I didn't like restore them or anything like that. I could put you guys on game on what we used if you want to see a video like that. Just a quick little touch up makes a huge difference on the lights most of the time, you guys. So I just compounded them, wiped it off, put some ceramic sealant, and now we're good. Like I said, we weren't here to restore them, we just wanted to touch them up. Here's a look at the interior. Car overall wasn't terrible, just the seats had really bad stains, so we took care of that for her. So right now we're just putting all her personal belongings in the car, and we'll be ready for lunchtime. What it do, YouTube? We are at the third vehicle of the day. We have a bronze detail package. Our bronze package is the basic interior with a basic exterior wash and wax, so we should knock this out pretty soon. We actually just got here, and it's actually 12:01. So 12:01, we're already starting on the car. A lot of pet hair, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and quickly show y'all. It's just super loud, so I don't want to get too close yet, but a lot of pet hair in this car. I'm gonna go ahead and try to remove it and get it back to clean. We're not removing it, you know what I'm saying, like entirely, as far as, you know, getting every bit of dog hair in there, because that's not what the client wants, and that's not what they're paying for. So we're gonna go ahead and knock out this detail. We're charging $165 for this car right here. So let me go ahead and show y'all. All right, you guys, I know it's a little bit windy right now, so hopefully y'all can hear me. We just finished up detailing this car here, Toyota Corolla. All done. Show y'all real quick the interior. Like I said, this was a bronze detail package, so no shampoo, no stain removal, nothing like that. We just cleaned it. This car is, you know, it is what it is. Like we're not here to make this car look pretty. If you get what I'm saying, like we're here to make it look clean. So we cleaned it up, cleaned up the door jambs, gas cap, wheels, hubcaps, all that, shined it up and protected it with some bead maker on the exterior. And now we are all done. $165 for this car. So let's see what our total is so far for the day. Just like that, you guys, we are at the last client of the day. Now we have two vehicles here at this last location. So we're getting started on our first one, which is a 2022 Hyundai Palisade. You get the point. I don't know what it's called. So we're working on this car here. And then we have the one in front of us, which is a Acura MDX. We actually have a little bit of competition over here. So we got a detailer right across the street from us, which is pretty cool. Shout out to that person. We don't know who they are, but shout out to them. So we have Glitz's Auto Sport, we have Andres, and then we have my cousin Abimelech right there. So we have 4-man crew for the last cars. He just got here. He actually hit me up and I was like, hey bro, pull up. He's a real one, pulling up for helping us out. We're gonna go ahead and knock out that MDX right there as soon as we finish this one. All right, you guys, so we just finished up the Palisade right here behind us. Hyundai is done. Now we're working on the MDX. So right now we just washed and clay barred this one. They're working on the polish for that one because these are both gold detail services. Engine bay was done as well for the Hyundai. Interior lightly steamed and shampooed, and we're doing the same for the MD. We're all done with this one here, looking super nice, super clean. So we have that one there, which is getting worked on. And this house is beautiful, you guys. Like, when have you ever seen a balcony loop around the house? Like, this house is super nice. I'm not trying to show the personal information and stuff, but yeah, this is beautiful, beautiful house. So we've done the detail here. Now I am going around with a bead maker and a microfiber towel, just checking any like lower portions and stuff like that, because as we all know, of white vehicles, you can see any little speck of dirt on them. So I'm just going around with my bead maker and just checking the lower portions, any bugs and stuff like that. Also, like the grill area here, you guys probably can't see, but it looks like a little like dry and ashy. Do you see the difference? So I'll probably just come back around and just spray some trim shine on them and just call it a day. We did the engine bay as well, shined it up. So we'll go ahead and open the door for you guys. I'll show y'all the interior. And only thing we're missing is honestly our Mendez air fresheners, which are in the van right now. But overall, this car looks amazing, you guys. What do you guys think? Comment down below. The car looks super nice. I just love the interior on this car. Kid has a little tablet right there. Back seats were cleaned. And then the top is like a suede material. You guys can see it leaves a mark as you wipe it, so it's not dirty. In case you guys see, you know, any marks up there, it's not dirty. It's just how it is up there. Door jambs were done, of course. Gas cap was done. So this one's all done. Just got to go back around and touch up smaller areas, but you guys get it. Now we're working on the MDX. Now the MDX is not as bad. Honestly, it's not as bad. So have a bit of dog hair in here, which is majority of like what the problem would be for here. But look at this, super easy work. Easy work for us to knock this one out. Time is actually 3:42, and we are on the last vehicle right now. So appreciate the guys' help, man. If it wasn't for them, I would not be even close to getting done. So we're actually about done with the detail on the MDX right now, and I just want to quickly show y'all because the sun is coming down. It's 4:20. By the time we finish here, you know what I'm saying, it's gonna be dark. Here's the MDX. I'm sorry if my camera's a little shaky, but look at the paint, you guys. It's looking super glossy, super shiny. Polished it, clay barred it. Interior here, already detailed. Everything is nice and clean. Andres is still going around with the vacuum. There was a lot of dog hair in here, so that's why he's taking a little bit longer than usual. But overall, I mean, this car wasn't too bad besides the dog hair. We finished the detail on both of these vehicles, which were both gold details. So each car was around 500 to 550 each. Completed them both in under 4 hours, which is crazy. Crazy, bro. Because when I'm out here by myself, it's a whole different experience. So I really do appreciate the guys for coming out here and helping me out. You feel me? So yeah, we knocked these cars out. We've actually hit our target, and I'm actually go ahead and add up the totals right here for you guys per car, and then you guys can see what the total is. Now keep in mind, this doesn't include the deposits that were paid prior to us coming out, so just keep that in mind. And it's not including any tips or anything like that either, because that's totally separate. So appreciate y'all for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know if you guys want to see this more, you know, kind of see like a more behind the scenes, like to see what it takes to hit certain monthly numbers or weekly numbers and stuff like that. Because my next idea is to vlog my entire week and just kind of show you guys what we made for that entire week. You know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to switch up my content. I don't want to be too straightforward to one way, you know, with how-to videos and how to detail and stuff like that. I kind of want to show you guys our journey and bring you guys more in tune with how we're doing stuff and why we're doing stuff. So appreciate y'all for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Like I said, peace out, you guys.